The St. Patrick's Day progression event on Rollercoin is now in full swing. Let's check out all the great rewards that you can get with this progression event. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's that time of year again. St. Patrick's Day and Rollercoin have a progression event, a long progression event, which is the St. Patrick's Day progression event. On my screen here, you can see my Rollercoin homepage, and in the games section, you can see the St. Patrick's Day banner here with the progression event. And as you can see, I've already received all of the rewards, and I'll be telling you exactly how I managed to do that in a short period of time. It only took me literally 1 hour with a multiplier. So first things first, more details, and we're going to run through what the biggest miner is here. Okay, so this is the Celtic crypto machine, and it's going to give you 1.4 petahash per second. There is, at the time of recording this video, 3 days, 23 hours and 38 minutes remaining, so practically 4 days remaining for you to be able to complete the progression event. So like I always like to do, I'm going to use Piero's sheet to show you what rewards you can actually get from this progression event and the total amount of power and bonuses that you can get. So here we have Piero's sheet here, and starting off at level 1 down all the way to level 40. So this is the longer than usual progression event. Normally Rollercoin in St. Patrick's Day always have 40 level progression events when it comes to St. Patrick's Day. And there are loads of miners here, some even that are uncommon. And here we even have an epic miner as well, okay? So that's 470, and you can get that at level 11. Some of these have bonuses attached to them, some do not. I think the majority actually do have some sort of bonus attached to them. There are also significant powerful racks like the Biohazard 6, and there's also the Neon further down with 12% bonus Neon Rack 6 there. And going down to the level 40, you've got the Celtic crypto machine at 1.4 petahash that I mentioned, with a 3.2 bonus attached to that as well, okay? So this event has started on the 13th of March and is going to run until the 19th of March until 1500 UTC time. To get to a higher level difficulty in a game, it's gonna give you 600 points for each and every game difficulty that you go up, 1000 points for every 1 RLT spent anywhere except in the marketplace, and 400 points for spending 1 RLT in the marketplace, okay? Now, if you obviously have a multiplier, that's going to be much, much more, okay? Now, I'm just going to run through these a bit. So you've got even event passes here to help you get through the event, the season pass even faster. So there's a 60 EXP event pass there at 10, level 10. Don't need a lot of points there. It's only 45,900. You've got Mine and Base, which will give you a 0.5% bonus as well. You've got Corn Popper, it won't give you a bonus, but it'll give you 140 terahash. You've got the Clover Lover, which is an uncommon, and you've got even more Clover Lovers further down, which is uncommon as well, another uncommon one. You can merge those two uncommon. You still get the normal common one here as well, and further up you get the common one there as well. So you can technically keep the common one, okay? You get 2.5% if you just keep it there. And if you actually keep one of the uncommon ones, if you've already got it, or you can merge it, but the uncommon one will give you 2.63. If you actually merge the two uncommon ones, it'll give you even more. I always like to keep one of each type, especially when it has a bonus attached, okay? So for the uncommon one, this I would keep at least one. I already had it from last year's St. Patrick's Day progression event on Rollercoin, so I already had that. So now I've got 2 more here, which I can actually potentially merge to bring it up to the uncommon, and then I can get the uncommon and merge those, and we'll have the rare type as well, okay? Obviously you'll need the parts to merge, but if you do have the parts, then go ahead, do that, but I'm going to try and keep one from each, okay? You even get Paddy's Pub here at 725 terahash with 2.2 with the uncommon again, so very similar to the same concept as I was discussing for the Clover Lover. So you can do the same thing right there. You've got the uncommon, keep it there, it's got 1.5%. Again, I had that from last year's progression event, so I can actually merge that as well and keep them. Okay, so I've got all of these, and how did I manage to do that? So yes, I did invest some of my crypto that I had actually earned from the game itself into the game. I got that up to multiplier times 17, and with multiplier times 17, what I was doing is basically, like I shared with you, of how you can use multipliers more efficiently as well in that video. What I did is basically I got the games up to this stage like this. So like this one, for example, if I'm going to play the next game, it's going to go up to the next difficulty level after this, okay? So I got them all up to the third level on difficulty level 1, okay? I got them all up to there. I had the multiplier then applied after I got them all up, and I played them all, okay? So that way, with the times 17, I got 600 times 17 for each and every game that I was playing. So that was like 10,200 or something like that for each and every game that I was playing, okay? So I got 10,200 times 12, so that will easily net you 120,000, 122,000 easily, okay? Just for doing that, okay? With times 17 multiplier, of course, okay? I had 1 hour time limit. I didn't need to kind of invest another 1 RLT just to extend that hour. And in that 1 hour, the biggest thing that you can do to earn points is to actually go to the store, go to loot boxes, and literally I was just spamming away on the loot boxes, especially between the 5 and the 3. Sometimes I just alternate between them, okay, to open more. And what I like to do as well, a little tip for you, is that here where you have the coins, I'll go on RLT, okay, for example here I've got 209 at the moment. I'm just going to open a loot box right now just to show you this working, although today I've already opened them. But if you actually keep this open, so 209, if I say buy box and buy, I'm not going to wait for it to load. See, 214. I know that I've got something which was good, okay? So let's just do it again. 214, I'm going to buy another one. Don't wait for it. Let's say 214. Buy another one. Not going to wait for it. 213. So I lost one there, okay? So I got 2 pretty much, okay? So that is how I like to do it, just to go faster. Don't wait for that animation to load and click on collect, okay? I don't. I just literally buy, okay, go out. Buy, okay, go out. And I'm just taking note and monitoring this number up here, okay? How it's varying. That's all I'm doing. And I found that to be a bit more kind of effective. It's just faster. You waste less time waiting for those animations. I don't know, sometimes in the back of my mind I think if I've found a good one and I click it really fast, maybe I'll get another good one right behind it. There were occasions where I was lucky in these, okay? So I did actually manage to get 2 golden ones, which were of 50 RLT on the 1000 lucky case RLT case box, okay? So I got this one right here twice, so that was good. And I think I actually managed to get 30 RLT on the 3 RLT box here, on the 600 RLT case, the one that costs 3, okay? So I was lucky in certain aspects. I remember that I had gotten this number down around 100 RLT, and then I got a few lucky ones, so I managed to bring that back up. So when I ended the progression event, okay, so each time I'm opening the box, you can imagine that it's 5 times the multiplier that you're getting. So you're going to get 1,000 points for each RLT that you spend. In this case, I'm going to get 5,000 times 17 in the case that I had that multiplier, okay? So each and every time, if I just calculate that really fast, so 5,000, okay, times 17, each and every box that I was opening, I was getting 85,000 points, just bringing up that progress bar at the top here on the banner of the progression event and just whipping through those, okay? I literally managed to do that in less than an hour, comfortably in less than an hour. I did it in around 45 minutes, I believe. but I was playing some games as well, obviously to fill in some of those points and not just risking it all on the loot boxes as well. So keep those tips and tricks in mind, and you will be able to get through the St. Patrick's Day progression event as well totally. This does have around 8.3 petahash in power and 17% bonus, okay, this progression event. That is what you can potentially earn from it if you get all 40 rewards, okay. Now the bonus does not include obviously the bonus racks where you can get bonus percentages from the racks themselves. It's just the percentages included with the miners, and the duplicates are obviously not being added up. But you also have to keep in mind that if you already own those miners, then you won't have the total 17% bonus attached, okay. So you have to keep that in mind as well, and make sure to see before starting a progression event if it's really going to be worth it for you or not. You could always resell them on the marketplace as well, gain more RLT, and then buy different miners that you don't have in the first place. So you just have to strategize and keep these things in mind, okay? So that's pretty much it. Obviously, if you haven't yet registered to the game, do so in the link in the description below this video, and you will automatically get 1000 Satoshi to get you started with your Rollercoin journey. Just one small thing to note here as well, that at the moment, at the time of recording this video, there's another day with the Sol power on sale. This was done, I believe, a few months ago as well, or maybe a month ago. There was this similar sale going on. Basically, you need 0.04 Sol in your crypto wallet on Rollercoin to be able to get the Sol R miner here. This is a common one, it's not uncommon or anything. You get 250 terahash with 0.5, so 0.5% bonus attached with that miner. If you have enough of these and you manage to merge them up to Unreal, you will get an amazing 31 petahash with an unbelievable 11.45 bonus power attached to that. So that is a very big, significant amount if you manage to get it up to the Unreal, okay. And I don't believe that this miner can be sold, so you cannot actually buy it in the marketplace, okay. I don't know if it's written here somewhere, I don't see it, but no, I don't believe that you can actually sell this miner, okay. So this is the only chance that you have to be able to acquire the miner through this event right here. I already have 2 of them. I believe I had merged 1. I had bought like 3, if I'm not mistaken. So here they are. I've got the uncommon one and I've got the normal one. I could potentially buy another 2 normal ones. Since this has got 0.5%, I'd leave it in my inventory at least until I still can, until Rollercoin might decide to remove the keeping your miners in the inventory thing to gain bonuses. I don't know if that's going to happen or not. Okay, at the moment I've got 174% and 271 petahash in power, but some of these are temporary bonus power as well that I acquired with the events that there were. So I've got 6.6 petahash out of those 171 that are actually temporary. Okay, so this is going to go down to around 266 or so. Okay, so you have to keep these things in mind as well. And the percentage bonus power that I'm getting is on the 90. So it's on your miner power, okay? When you're getting those percentage bonuses added, okay? Because the percentage bonus is attached to the miners, so that sum is added on this. And this is what I'm getting, with 174% of 90 is 162.5, okay? In my case. So awesome. I hope that you found this video useful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.